everyone, Jason here, digital marketing consultant, and in this MailChimp review and demo, we're going to be going through the top 5 reasons MailChimp is awesome when it comes to growing your email list and maximizing your e-commerce sales. Make sure you check out the links in the description to other marketing software reviews and tutorials. So in this video, we're going to go through those top 5 reasons, but first, why the heck does it really matter when it comes to choosing your autoresponder? Well, when it comes to making money online and being successful with your digital marketing efforts, your long-term success is going to be dependent upon your email marketing efforts, because your long-term income is in your customer list, and making sure that you have a good piece of software that helps you nurture and grow that list is essential to your long-term success, which leads me into reason number 5. MailChimp is awesome when it comes to growing an email newsletter, especially if you're just getting started, and that is because it is so beginner friendly. I've tried and used a lot of options in the past. I've personally used Aweber, Constant Contact, Active Campaign, Get Response, and my current go-to, ConvertKit. And out of all of those options I've personally used, MailChimp has been the easiest to get up and running from my personal experience and experience with clients and customers. In fact, I've had clients who had a more complex solution, and we actually moved them down to MailChimp to help them grow their email list because there were just too many bells and whistles in what they were using, and it was overly confusing. Now, don't get me wrong, MailChimp actually has all the automations that you need, which is reason number 4. MailChimp is great for newsletters and maximizing e-commerce sales. What's nice is when you first log into MailChimp, it gives you all of the basic features up front, and then as you become more comfortable with their user design, you can dig into the automations. And when it comes to automations, pretty much every email autoresponder that you look at is going to have the automations you need to be successful with your e-commerce lead generation, or if you're doing digital products, doing sales funnels. MailChimp actually has you covered. Now, one of the things to note is the way that these automations are managed is different based upon the solution that you're using. And this is going to be completely dependent upon your personal preference. MailChimp is a list-based automation, whereas other things like ConvertKit is a tag-based automation. And again, this is just going to be based on your personal preference. But let's quickly go through what the difference between these are, because it is going to be important in deciding whether or not you want to move forward and use MailChimp. So in a tag-based system, you have one master list, and then people receive tags based upon actions they've taken, like purchasing on your site or clicking a particular link or opening a particular email, and they're tagged when they take action or they don't take action, and you can remove and add tags as pretty much as you like, but there's still this one master list in your account. Whereas other solutions like Aweber and MailChimp, you physically move people from one list to another. So when you log in, you're gonna see list number 1, 2, 3, 4, and your automations are about moving people between those different lists. MailChimp does have the ability to do tagging, but it's not as robust as some other solutions. So I definitely recommend, if you're gonna choose MailChimp for your automations, is to just use those automations to move people between different lists. So you get the same end result in both instances. You're able to track what people do, you're able to move them around and change the sequences people are receiving. It's just managed in a different way. Which leads me into reason number 3. MailChimp is awesome for growing your newsletter, and that is their features of landing pages. So typically you have 2 steps to growing your email list. Step number 1, collecting the emails with a landing page or some sort of pop-up on your site. Then step number 2 is nurturing that list and building relationships with those new prospects and customers. That's what MailChimp does, and that's what all autoresponders do. What's nice is now MailChimp has the ability to create landing pages and create pop-ups for your site. So you're not gonna have to use a separate plugin or separate page builder if all you need to do is grow your newsletter. And so if you're just getting started, this is actually gonna tie into reason number 1, why it's so important, but I'm getting ahead of myself there. And thanks to this feature, you don't have to go out and look for a page builder anymore. You can collect emails and nurture your email list without having to purchase multiple pieces of software. You can do it with one piece of software. What I do want to note though is it's not a replacement for an actual page builder like Builderall, Instapage, Lead Pages, or ClickFunnels, or Thrive Themes, or OptimizePress, whatever you're using. those solutions are gonna offer you a lot more features when it comes to your landing pages and, collecting emails versus the basic pop-ups and landing pages MailChimp provides to you. And speaking of other page builders, leads me into reason number 2, MailChimp is awesome when it comes to growing your newsletter and specifically maximizing e-commerce sales. And this is where integration comes in. Because MailChimp has done such a good job catering to beginners, pretty much every other piece of software under the sun that you could think of using with your marketing stack is going to integrate with MailChimp. So if you don't know what else you're going to use, MailChimp is a really safe way to start growing your email list because it works with pretty much everything. And there are some page builders out there that actually only integrate with MailChimp. And as new page builders come out, you're virtually guaranteed to have MailChimp one of the first integrations on that list because it's so popular and widely used. And if you're in e-commerce using, Shopify or WooCommerce, they integrate with a couple other platforms as well. You can actually have a direct integration between your sales data and your email list. And this is something that's really cool that I don't see a lot of people giving MailChimp credit for, and that is with your e-commerce sales, you can automatically set up campaigns for people who abandon the shopping cart, and you can automatically set up retargeting campaigns based upon your sales data. So if someone purchases product A or B, then MailChimp can automatically give them product XYZ based upon your sales data and send them a customized email. So customer number 1 and 2 and 3 are gonna receive a follow-up email with different products. This is super cool. It's like MailChimp's doing a bunch of analysis and data crunching for you, which means you don't have to pull out your hair when it comes to creating some advanced e-commerce follow-up sequences. And finally, reason number 1, MailChimp is awesome when you're getting started, when you're just building your e-commerce store, or all you need to do is grow a newsletter, and that is the price, because the price to start is $0. It's free. As long as you have less than 2,000 subscribers and send less than 12,000 emails a month. Of course, that might change. That's just at the time of this recording. You can use about 80% of MailChimp's features for free. And what's really cool about this is you can actually grow a sizable email list without having to shell out $50 or $100 a month for a bunch of advanced automations that you really don't need. So I highly recommend you check out MailChimp if you're in e-commerce and you don't want to deal with all of the headache of trying to integrate ActiveCampaign or Infusionsoft with your existing platform and you just want some automated follow-up sequences to go out, or if you're just getting started and you just need a tool to help you grow your newsletter list. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more digital marketing reviews and tutorials just like this one. Over on my channel, I'm documenting the entire process of what it takes to be successful with your digital marketing. And of course, choosing the right autoresponder is actually a big chunk of the bigger picture of being successful with your digital business. So go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and as always, keep building the business you love.